Wow!
Well, that's quite a bit of space. Let's play a game. Choose a number. It will tell you about your personality. I choose 5. This is a mocking emoji. Fine. My turn. I choose 7.
Oh. Wow, this is angel emoji.
My turn. I choose 2. Oh, no, that is sleeping emoji. It doesn't suit my personality.
You cannot take any other number. Show, just go. I choose 8. It is kind and cute emoji. Oh. So cute.
Why are you taking turn again? I choose 4. Oh, it's the confused emoji.
I choose 1. Oh. No. I am not a liar.
No, you are. Okay, I choose 3. Oh, it is love emoji.
My turn. I choose 9. And thankfully. This emoji is fine.
You go, it's not your turn. Oh, I choose last one. I don't know which one it is, but you know. If you know about the personality in it, then comment. We need computer sheets, marker colors, glue, tape, toothpick, scissor, a cutter, a pencil, a ruler, a cardboard, 20 centimeters length, 17 centimeters width. Please leave a comment about my next video. Thank you. You need 9 circle. Centimeters length, 9 centimeters width. Please leave a comment if like my video. Thank you. Eighteen circles. Eight circles. Thanks for watching.